Hey there, fellow social media enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your online life easier. Today, we're diving into how to change email in Facebook 2025. With Facebook constantly updating its features for better security and user experience, knowing how to update your email is super important, whether you're switching to a new address or just beefing up your account privacy. This process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it in under a minute. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on a desktop or the mobile app. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on the downward arrow to open the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This is your hub for all account customizations. Now, scroll down to the Account Center section. Don't worry if it looks a bit different in 2025. Facebook might have tweaked the layout, but the core options stay similar. Look for Personal Information or Contact Info and click on that. You'll see your current email listed. Click Edit next to it. Enter your new email address and Facebook will prompt you to verify it. This usually involves checking your inbox for a confirmation code or link. After you verify, hit Save or Update, and voila, your email is changed. Remember, always use a secure email and enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. If you run into any issues, like if the option isn't showing up, it might be due to regional restrictions, so double-check your account settings. There you have it, folks. Changing your email on Facebook in 2025 is a breeze. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe online, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.